We got to break up. This is like my 6th time. All my husbands, we just got divorced. We don't know what to do.
Tired of you with all these husbands. We need to go out and party.
To the club.
We have come today to join these couples in holy matrimony. Will you take this man to be your husband?
Of course.
Will you take this lady to be your bride?
Yes.
Will you take this woman to be your bride?
Yes.
Yes. You take this man to be your husband? Yes. I now pronounce you man and wife, me of the bride.